Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel autopay in PhonePe app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel autopay in PhonePe app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the PhonePe application, and once you're inside there, you'll be seeing something like this on your home screen. Now on the bottom, what you need to do is go to autopay or subscriptions, simply scroll down and look for an option that is similar, and then scroll down and select payments and autopay or save payments. Now inside, look for autopay or recurring payments, and then you will see a list of services where autopay is active, like electricity, phone, DTH or UPI mandates. Simply tap the one you want to cancel, and then once you tap on cancel or autopay, it will stop the mandate, and once you have reviewed all the links, all you gotta do is simply tap on confirm when prompted. Autopay will now be disabled and you'll need to pay manually next time. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.